How should I start the video? Welcome back, friends.
How do you start the other ones?
It's different every time. Welcome back to Hal's Unboxings, where we take things out of boxes that are in boxes and look at them. Okay with that? Oh, thumbs up. Today I have a very special leaked Apple Watch from the UK. I don't know where they found it. Could have been under a stool at a restaurant. Could have been in someone's stool. No, okay, that's gross. Today we're going to unbox a leaked Apple Watch. Unbagging?
It's in a bag.
Hey, welcome back to Hal's Unboxings. I got a very special unbagging for you today. It's a leaked Apple Watch from the United Kingdom. I don't ask how they got it, but they got it. They sent it to me, and I'm going to open it up for you. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
See that right here? It's upside down. I put it upside down. It says, by Airmail, Royal Mail. If you don't know the Royal Mail, then you probably don't live in the UK. It's a nice bag. I'd say they got a little beat up in the postage, in the shipping, right? They probably could have done a little better. The return address is a little sticker that is covering the flap. So I'd say C- on the bag. C-. Are you excited? Have you seen one of these before? Do you remember the Apple Watch? This is the Series 6. It's like they're at Series 5, and you can
So it depends on how many you've made.
How many they've made, yeah. And I've got one leaked. That got leaked. You know what leaked means? It means they released one before everybody else. So this is one that I got before everyone else. Apple Watch. Do you understand?
It looks like nothing.
It does feel like they didn't spend a whole lot. Maybe the guy found it and he just stuck it in the envelope, and then it's like it's not in its official boxing yet. That's why we're unbagging, Lily. Are you satisfied with all the buildup? Okay. So if you're just joining us, this is an unbagging of a leaked iPhone. No, if you're just joining us, we are going to unbag an iPhone leaked. It's leaked. It's not an iPhone. Stop saying that. Hey, if you're just joining us, this is an iPhone. I said it again. If you're just joining us, we need it to be clean, right? This is an important part of the show. How's my hair look today? Would you do plus or minus? I need a swoosh. The whole thing, the hair's been bad during the whole thing. It's better?
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome back.
If you go up a little higher,
You're out of the shot?
Your head will be cut off.
Okay, all right. If you're just joining us, this is an Apple Watch Series 6 leaked edition from the UK. We've established so far that it's from the Royal Mail, which is the mail service of the United Kingdom. Why they're a kingdom, that's between them. Okay, I'm going to, oh look, it's a blue one. So what they can do is they can change the bands in them. Have you ever seen it? And they slide off and you can put on like new bands. I chose no, I didn't choose it, sorry. It was given to me as a blue one, okay?
Your favorite color.
My favorite color. Oh, wow, it's got Chinese on it. They must have found it in a Chinese factory underneath the
I thought it was from the United Kingdom.
underneath the way station. Apple's really going for it this time, my friends. I mean, nothing says Apple Watch like an apple-shaped watch. I just hope it pairs nicely with my phone. Whoa, it just turned on its own. Oh, where'd it go?
You have to press the button.
You have to press the button to see the time. That's genius. So then when it's on your wrist, all you see is the black beauty of the Apple Watch. So back in the day, Lily, when you weren't even in this world, they used to cover everything with this little film, and you would just peel off the film.
It's like a sticker.
It's like a sticker. It's like a sticker, but protective. And then you see what you would do with these things is you would throw them in the trash, and they'd fill up the landfill like the good old days. If you are just joining us, we are unveiling to you the Apple Series 6 watch by Apple, nonetheless. And it is the blue. It's super thin. I mean, you barely.
It's like rubbery.
It's like rubbery. Yeah. Did you need to feel it? Can you guys feel it? Can you feel it? Did you say rubbery? Yeah. I wish you could feel it. You will when it comes out to the rest of you people, but for me, it's 1017. It's not even 1017 in the UK, I don't think. It's like once I get it hooked up with my phone, it'll sync up nicely. Let's see how it fits. I think we should see how it fits. Whoa, man, it just slides right in there. I'm going to wear this every day of my life. I'm sorry, I know I promised that I was going to give it to you, but I love it. Look how it fits me.
Are you sure it's a...
It's what? Are you sure it's an Apple?
Why does it say something on it?
Funny about the Chinese, Lily. It says LED watch. I really am going to try to scrape off LED watch because I feel like if it were just flat black, it would be a lot cooler. Let's see if I can pair it with my phone. Let's see, Bluetooth? You think Bluetooth? Sometimes you just tap them and they... Oh, look, see? You got to get the Apple of your phone and the Apple of your watch, and you've got to line them up just perfectly.
I think you're on the wrong thing.
I'm on the wrong thing?
On your phone.
Oh, I'm just in settings. Should I go somewhere else? I'll turn on Bluetooth and try again. Come on, little kissy. There's a second button. I didn't hit the second button. Maybe it's the second button. Second button's doing nothing. Bupkis. One thing I'm going to dock some Apple points for is that if you look very closely, Lily, the color of the band, okay, and the color of the Apple Watch itself, not the same blue. I'm going to have to deduct 0.3 of a point. 0.3 of a point. We're still in the 90s, but I'm not telling you how much until I get this thing paired. Okay? What time is it? 2. Oh, you know how you set the watch like the good old days? You didn't. These days it just automatically sets for you, and that's just so lazy. So lazy. So I'm actually clicking the minute button a bunch of times to get to the proper minute. Oh, I went too far. It's 54. And I can't be a minute ahead or I'll be too early to everything. Oh, you can do 24-hour. You can do 24-hour or 12-hour time. For here in America, you may not understand this, but they might at home, is we for some reason like to do 12-hour cycles, two of them. Double the cycles of time in the world. Don't roll your eyes at me, young lady. 2:54. It's 2:55 now. 2:55. Let me get it for him. Okay.
Get to 8.
Can they see it?
Yeah.
Do you think it has tap to pay? How do you get my credit cards in there? She think we can't hear that? She's cooking delicious food while I'm trying to shoot a very important unboxing video with leaked stuff. I could go to jail for this, Lily.
Really?
This is stolen goods from Apple. Okay? And I'm in possession of it. That's why we had to close the windows, my dear. She's in there. No, I paid for it. I mean, will you take over the unboxing videos if they send me to jail?
I don't know how to work the camera.
If you've been watching this video all the way to the end, you've probably been enjoying yourself watching us unbox the Apple Watch.
All 10 minutes.
Series 6, I tell you. Leaked. Beautiful specimen of a watch. I think it's going to be all the rage. I think this one's going to do better than all the Series 5s, 4s, 3s, 2s, and Series 1s put together. Do you realize that all my tech stuff is going to be, you're going to inherit all these gems, okay? They're all going to be yours one day.
How do you know?
Because you're my oldest child.
Yay! Are you sure all of it'll still work?
This Apple Watch is sturdy, it'll work. Can you get me some kind of knife or something? We need to scratch off this LED part, LED watch.
Good. Now make sure you can still see the time.
That is beauty. Look at that. I think that Apple, this is how Apple should make it going forward. Stop putting LED watch on their Apple. Your design department. So thank you for joining me on this amazing unboxing with the Apple Watch 6 series coming to you. Also known as LED watch, because after all, these things are actually watches in the end. It's the second word of the title. So it should keep track of the time a little better, in my opinion. Okay? So, please join us. Subscribe. You should probably subscribe somewhere. Do you know where that is? Somewhere at the bottom? Down there. And then you can get all the latest news from Hal Gatewood's Magical Mystery Super Spectacular Unboxings. Do you know where the red button is? Got a Sharpie all over my finger. I got to do the edges. I got to do the edges of the finger.